Now let's move on to the final feature in the CRM module, call logs. This section plays a key role in managing client communication effectively. It allows you to record and update details of client calls, especially during follow-ups. You can also import existing call logs into the system, and similarly, you have the option to export call records that are already in the database. One of the major advantages of the call logs feature is that it lets you track the status of each call, whether it's completed, still in progress, or pending an update. In addition to that, you can directly update both incoming and outgoing calls within the app itself. While entering call details, here are the fields you'll come across: call type, incoming or outgoing, call medium, e.g., phone, WhatsApp, etc., call status time of the call, unattended calls, call duration. Once you've filled in all the relevant details in their respective fields, you can simply click the Create button to save the record. And yes, if you need to make any changes later, there is an edit option available too. For example, if an incoming call was neither completed nor properly updated at the time, you can go back and edit those details anytime. So the call logs feature helps you keep an accurate, organized record of all client calls, which is essential for maintaining strong follow-ups and smooth communication flow.